YouTube channel. We're back with another vlog. Today it's a mommy and daughter thing. Daddy and Ian are missing out. We are so excited to do this collab. It's from the HAPI collaboration. If you don't know what HAPI means, it means holiday and party items. We did the echo just a few weeks ago, and today we are back with another collab. It's called Bells Ringing Collaboration. As I say, it's from the HAPI collaboration, and it has so many other families doing the same thing. So basically, you choose your Christmas ornament. It can be edible or non-edible, and you make a video with your family. So today it's me and Skyla. We're going to make a gingerbread house.
It's colorful.
Yeah, it's colorful. So we have this box over here. We got it from this is the gingerbread house kit. It has everything is included in here. As you can see, this is our first time doing this, so hopefully we get it right and good and have fun while doing it. Are you ready, Skyla? Yeah. Yes, let's go ahead and unwrap. Ah. This is how it looks. Comes on a little tray. I think that's where the house is gonna go. Yeah. Oh, this is the icing, I believe. Nice. That's the icing. These are the little decorations to go on the houses. Oh, they're so beautiful. So
This
many
is a
colors.
bunny bear.
Teddy bears.
Yeah.
Right,
The bunny
these are the little decorations that are going to go on the house. So I think that's it. Yeah.
bears. Little colors in
It has everything included in it. Icing, colors, and candy assortments. Already packed here, ready to go. And the steps to follow as well to make the gingerbread house. You know, this collab kit came at the perfect timing because Skyla had been mentioning, I want to make a gingerbread house. So when we saw the tag, we were like, perfect timing. Yes, we're gonna have a taste of this later, and then we decorate it like hopefully it appears as it is on the box, and then
so
we
many
can try
colors.
to taste it later. Yeah, so many colors. So Skyla, are you ready to start? We'll go ahead and open the house. We arranged everything we had here. Skyla, hold on. Oh, not yet. All right. Nice. Look at that. Yeah, everything is pretty much made. Let's put them on there. Put them on that one here. Yeah, thank you. We'll use those in a little bit.
Look at this.
Yeah.
This one is so stuck in here.
Oh, it's stuck in there. Okay.
This one is not stuck.
Yeah.
That's too much.
Yeah.
That's too much.
Keep putting them there. They're all gonna make the house. Yeah. The first step says massage the icing pack until icing feels smooth and consistent inside. You wanna massage it? Massage it. Massage, 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 massage. Here, give it a try.
Oh, look at mine.
Nice. Massage, massage, massage. So after that, after it's consistent enough, then we put it all around the corners. I don't know if you can see this, but there are cut lines there pre-made for where the house is gonna stand. All right.
Wow.
Let me see if our icing is ready.
Icing is ready.
Oh, icing is ready. So let's go ahead and
Let's open it with the scissors.
yeah, we use our scissors over here.
Come on.
They say cut a small opening. These are safe scissors, so they don't cut very well, but they get the job done. All right. So let's go ahead and Skyla, you wanna help me squeeze the icing into the, yeah? Woohoo. All around. Yeah? Going on. Okay, I'll do this side. Yay. Ah, it's coming out well. All right.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, you can see how we put it all around. That's nice. I think that's
Now we can
good
put
enough.
sprinkles.
Not yet. The sprinkles will go on the house. Yeah? Yeah, you see how the picture is? The decorations come last. You first have to put the house together. Yeah? So Skyla, you know what goes on first? The sides of the house with the triangle on top. So let's look for the sides that have a triangle on top, like this one. You see? This is one of those sides that has that. Yeah? You can go in your, you want it to go inside? Right. There. Alright, the other one, the triangle on top is this one. So that can go on the opposite side. There we go. Stick it, yeah, help me stick it there. Good job, Skyla. Okay, those are our sides, and then we get the other sides and put them in.
Mom, these are the cookies.
They look like cookies, eh? Because they're edible. We're gonna get to taste it later, right? You know what I just realized? We missed a step. We're supposed to have the icing on the sides of the house as well before we put it up like that. Just there. Just like, I think we can put it when they're still, yeah? All right.
Mama,
Mhm. Yeah, we forgot to do this part, but okay. Not a tough one, not too tough. We can still do it. Mhm.
Mama, these sides are beautiful.
The sides are beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they look like my shoes.
Oh, the color of your shoes. You have brown shoes, yeah? Right?
Yeah, look, I got black shoes
Yeah.
with pink ribbons.
Yeah, I know.
Mama, look, I got black shoes.
Yeah, I see them. I see them. We have a shoe rack right on the side.
Yeah, Mama.
Mhm.
Mama, that's your shoes going to work.
Yeah. So after this step, let's see. You put the sides, yeah, the other sides, and then you put the, yeah. Let's see. So now we can put the sides. All right. I don't know how they go. Do they go this way? Do they go this way? They go this way. Yeah, they go this way. How are they gonna fit if they go that way? Huh? We had this right the first time, like that. And then, instead of this tall one, we were supposed to take these little ones to go on the side. There we go. This won't be an epic fail after all. Let me see. Trying to stick this side. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's coming along. Alright, so we have that set up now, so far.
So where's the other one?
Yeah.
You can put this one side or this side.
So now comes the top. We have to put the frosting all the way around here. Nice.
It's so yummy.
You tasted the frosting?
Yeah.
Taste it a little bit. Have another taste. Take it with your finger. Take a little bit with your finger. There you go. Nice.
It's so juicy.
It's so juicy?
Yeah. Can I taste one time and 2 times?
One more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to taste the big size.
Yeah. Okay. With your finger.
I want to taste it with the big size.
With the big size?
Yeah. I want to taste it with my tongue.
Yeah.
Can I taste it with my mouth?
Yeah, you can taste it with your mouth, of course.
I want.
Oh, Skyla, isn't this beautiful?
Can I eat some?
Yeah, we're gonna eat. We're gonna have a bite of the gingerbread house. All right, look at that. Are we ready to put our roof?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see. Hopefully it comes together.
Yeah!
Wow. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we actually pulled this off. Like I said, this is our first time, guys. We're just doing our best here. Okay. So that's our gingerbread house right now. That's how it's looking. So this is the best that we could do, yeah? So now comes time to
Decorate it!
decoration. We're gonna put them in little, yeah. Let's see. We're gonna try to go with this, the idea of mix matching. Yeah? Alright. I already touched the roof with icing, so that's not gonna be any different. You ready?
If you want.
I hope there's enough left for every part of the house. Decorations. I can't put the decorations. I wanna give you. Okay. Come here, baby. So you're gonna tip them. There you go. And some of these.
We did an eco-eating gummy bear.
Alright, and then stick them on the house very slowly so it doesn't fall apart before we finish. Okay, stick one right there. Put it on the icing, on the white icing. That's how it's gonna stick. Oh, it's stuck. There we go.
A gummy bear.
Yeah, and a gummy bear right next to it. Yeah.
A gummy bear is so yummy. I want to eat it.
Yes, we're gonna eat those later after decorating, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Put another gummy bear. Let me help you put these colorful ones.
2 gummy bear.
Yeah. Okay.
Gummy bear.
Yeah, and the gummy bears. Yeah, it's actually looking a little bit. I can't believe we're trying to pull this off well. Okay.
They start to fall down.
The gummy bears need a little more icing on them. I think that's enough on this side. Let's try the other side. That can go there. All right. So now.
Winky gummy bear, I'm yummy. Winky winky gummy bear.
Gummy bears.
Winky gummy bear.
Winky gummy bears.
Winky
Gummy bears.
gummy.
We're now decorating the other side of the roof. Skyla is doing a good job. I'm just praying that my house doesn't fall in as we are doing this. All right, put them apart, Skyla. Spread them like that.
I go.
Yeah. Good job. Nice. Channel, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the other vlogs that we have. If you're an old friend, thank you for always joining us. We'll be uploading more Christmas videos soon before the holidays are over. Keep tuning in. Thank you. What do you tell them? Eat the gummy bears.